Hey guys.
Well, go on, what's up? What's up?
So we're back again.
Yeah. Welcome back to the Delprat family, you know?
Welcome guys. So we had this start, right? We want to know how much $30,000 can get us at the supermarket and wholesale for a month's worth of groceries. So that's our aim for today.
Yeah.
Right? So $30,000. So we're aiming for a month's supply of groceries.
I'll see how close we can get to that.
Exactly. So we are going to the supermarket, as I mentioned before, and the wholesale.
Right.
We're going to Price Mart.
Yeah. So it's like a membership shopping place.
Bulk shopping.
Yeah.
So we buy bulk stuff. I like to buy in bulk because I'm not a fan of going to the supermarket every minute.
But yeah, and like you can necessarily buy everything there, even though there's still a lot of variety, a lot of stuff, but you have to be prudent. So like
some
certain meat and them thing there
elsewhere, like the wholesales and
right.
stuff like that. So that's what we usually do. So we buy most of our groceries though at Price Mart.
The dry goods, most of the dry goods.
Dry goods.
Can I put it out? Dry goods?
Yeah, that's a good way to put it. Yeah, dry goods. Most of the dry bulky goods we would buy at Price Mart, and then we would go to the wholesale for most of our poultry or meat items. Yeah. And of course the market for our ground provisions. But nowadays we kind of up and off of the market trade because of the whole coronavirus. So sometimes we go to the supermarket, the local supermarket near us. So we'll bring you guys along on that journey, right? So let's see what I've gone. It's not really easy to shop in Jamaica for food, you know, food expensive.
Oh dear man.
Food is expensive.
Yeah, the commentaries though, they've been stating that food expensive everywhere. You know?
But food expensive everywhere, but it is more pressuring in a society where it's more pressuring in Jamaica. Although it might be expensive, quote unquote, everywhere, it's not as bad, trust me, in America. And I'm America for a fact. Like, we've been to America, we bought food, we bought groceries, and where we buy for $50 America, we can't buy that for $50 at Jamaica.
A $50 about what, seven grand? About 7,000 Jamaican dollars?
Yeah. Like, where we buy, trust me, we can't get that at Jamaica. So it's relative, it's always relative to the location. In Jamaica, I think it's a little bit more costly. Value for money, it's a bit more, you know, it's not the same.
Yeah guys, so we're about to pull up into the store now, right? So we're gonna ask you to hit the like button, right? Hit the like button, and remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet. Yeah.
Hit the notification bell as well, because that to let you know every time we post a video. All right.
Yeah. So basically, the COVID situation kind of get out of hand in Jamaica again. In fact, worse than before. Right. So what they're doing now is actually like they're limiting the number of persons in the store at any given time. So we are having to basically wait outside until the store clear, you know, where we can actually proceed. So that's what I'm on the ground right now in Jamaica, you know. So basically that's where we started. How much is that?
$17.24.
Okay. So which one you go for? $14.49. Okay. Okay. So we have some items at home, you know, so it's not like we need everything. Right, but we do need flour. And the flour is at $5.99. How what that? That's 5 kilograms. 5 kilograms for $600. this. Oh, you put this in the lawn?
Yeah,
In a...
one here.
Huh?
You did like the reindeer from last year.
Yeah. This is what, 31,000. Wow. It look nice though. Huh? Oh, the reindeers are here again.
More expensive. Not one of 15,000 now.
Yeah. There are other stuff too.
Welcome to the PriceSmart Membership Shopping Club, where the one thing that has not changed is our commitment to our associates and to our
Christmas in the year, guys.
at the club and online to ensure that
Oh, you can manage it. 9 kilograms.
So guys, we're well on our way. We need to go to the can aisle now. We got the basics like the rice, the flour, the oil, toilet paper, can items.
Wait, say hello. You go for dips? You want it? Movie night? By the way, this is, yeah, this is 1,000 how much?
1,130 something.
Right, it has salsa and the cheese, you know. Okay.
This is the fun. It says in water. This says in oil.
Yeah.
We need baked beans.
How much is it?
Oh, this is way more expensive
Danwa.
than before. Before it was like 800 and something dollars. Now it's 1,100. It's like $300 more. On the last.
Oh, mackerel too.
Which one
Yeah.
are you using?
You can buy the big tin.
Which one?
6-pack for 1,409. You can't get it? Oh, let me do it for you. Alright, good. Good.
Yes, darling, sorry. So what do you want again?
Alright. The small one them? Just them big one here. Just on $1,000. Yeah, you can buy 2, you know. Yeah. So two packs for that price. $9.53. Okay.
Yeah.
You can grab 2 bread. Let me get it. Oh, we have. Can't last us. You're a roller from concrete.
Oh,
9 kilograms. You not go for no almond milk now?
No, already have.
Okay. Oh, tin milk. Alright.
And you know what I wanted to get? I wanted to get agave.
I grabbed that first.
And use that as my sweetener instead of
agave. Oh, that's the herbal store them and stuff?
Yeah. But they say that it's it's a low glycemic index, so it doesn't spike your sugar. Which is very important.
Yeah, by the way, this is 15.28. 15.28. 25 cents.
Yeah, because I'm very health conscious, okay guys? The leading disease in the world is diabetes. We not get it. In fact, I think it's cheaper here than in the health food store.
Oh, they have it.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, cool.
It's cheaper here than in the health food store, and this is honey.
Oh.
Look how honey expensive.
What kind of honey this? Them say bee honey based on the symbol upon it. Pure honey, no additives. So you can buy the agave?
Yeah.
So they say 15.28.
Yeah, 15.28.
Okay.
Oh, same price as the milk.
Oh.
So I'm gonna try this as my sweetener and see how that goes.
Okay.
So guys, I don't like surprises at the cashier, alright? I don't do that. I ask my people them, I'm not do that. I'm not play that game there.
Boy.
When I go there, I know exactly when I go there. When I go spend, I'm not play that game there.
Yeah.
So we need oats.
Me more just estimate as me I go through, just kind of estimate, but
So you know what, Jaden section. Took us in stuff.
alright.
And then 900, 941. So you always buy the unfrosted. Yeah.
Oh, so the last color, by the way, to your right. So we always go for the vanilla Lasco. Right now the 10 pack of the 120 gram is for $1,004 and $1.
Yeah, it's kind of what normally the 10 pack Lasco
$900
and exactly and the condensed milk is normally the same price, but the condensed milk is now more expensive than the Lasco.
And I remember when this used to sell for like $900, you know, for the same 10 pack, you know. Now it's $1,004 something.
Yeah, so it's a bit rough. So for me, it doesn't matter what's going on with my finances. I always plan how much I'm going to spend. It doesn't matter. If I have a lot in my days of plenty, I increase my savings. It means that I will spend more on food and I would indulge more on non-essential stuff. But I always have a limit. So I always have a cut-off point. And then when time comes for you tighten up, then we tighten up some more. You know?
Yeah guys, so from the other day we discover them ground tier, right? $2,100 feet now, and you get 10 pound of fish. The last time I count them out at 20 or 21 fish I count out, and a sea fish, you know, and they're really fresh, so I don't mind it, you know. So you can, so this is definitely a good buy. You know? From I discovered this guys, I left it, you know, around 21 fish coming at 10 pounds, you know, for just over $2,000. The broccoli for $1,199.
Yeah.
Broccoli and other mixed vegetables. Alright, so currently all them they're 1 kilogram doing honey. They're all 1 kilogram.
I know, but you want to find the one with less tail and less bone.
Oh yeah.
And more flesh. So you want to get a good 1 kilogram.
So this look good.
Yeah.
Alright. We are going to buy a few meat items, right, for kind of in keeping with the budget, as much as possible. Alright, so we still have 2,500 to spend basically. Right, we'll see how much we can get with that. And I have TVs, guys. These are 65 inch. This look like probably 1,200 US, somewhere thereabouts. Me just do a rough estimate, guys, but 1,200 US. 65 inch, 183,000 Jamaican. Alright.
So we're at the cashier now, guys. Okay guys, so we're actually leaving. It wasn't too bad. We didn't spend a long time. We didn't spend a really long time. And of course, this is what we paid, which is similar to what we estimated in our calculator. So we are on our way and we have not yet exceeded our budget, and we are trying to stay within our budget, alright? But what this then means is that we have less to spend at the wholesale. So
yeah, but mind you though, we take some additional items where you never did that, but that wasn't necessarily a part of the budget. As we mentioned before, the agave and them little thing there.
And,
you know?
and the dip, yeah.
Yeah guys.
Yeah.
So we just arrived at the wholesale, right, in our area. So we just finish up the business, you know. So we did most of the dry stuff, and you know, so now we're getting the meat. Yeah, so the wholesale. You know, so we just wait to get our opportunity to go in. You know, with the social distance thing, you know, just have to stay off and just kind of wait.
Okay, so guys, we are back from the wholesale. We spent in total at the wholesale $5,119, and in total we spent $32,500.
Yeah, that's between price
supermarket and
yeah,
wholesale.
and the wholesale.
So at the wholesale we didn't get the portion of chicken that we would usually buy. We were hoping to get like 10 pounds of chicken. We only get about 3 pounds. And if you hear how the man tell agent say man 3 pounds, the man come and say man 3 pounds and they want it.
Chicken kind of scarce, you know.
Was like yeah, want it.
I bet
And
and if it's a best dressed chicken problem or what?
yeah, like I think it's a best. Well, no, it's a chicken shortage. We having a shortage of chicken in Jamaica.
Don't know.
So basically,
so
in the boat.
Guys, if any of you in the comment experiencing that, you can let us know. We'll go on the phone area, you know. But based on what we are hearing is that
And seeing, most of the places them out.
Yeah.
That chicken was around $220 per pound. So if we had gotten the 10 pound of chicken that we would usually buy, that would be like what, almost $2,500 just for the chicken alone. So I guess just comparing what I would normally buy, especially if we had included chicken, if we did buy chicken, the 10 pound of chicken, we could spend $5,000 and get all this.
The budget could have been made still, you know, because there are a couple items that you wouldn't normally buy on it. You see, if you buy, like, if you're on a tight budget and you want just the bare minimum, we could have made the 30,000. We could have
not buy tortilla chips and dip and stuff like that.
Yeah guys, so I mean $30,000 for grocery. So let us know, you know, what you guys think.
Yeah, we think about that.
Let us know what you guys think.
So we did a good job of spending our $32,000, or well, I can't on the window so you can get more. Or do you think that we could have done a better job? How you know, that's really interesting. Like how you would have spent your $32,000.
Yeah guys, yeah man, just hit up the like button, you get me, I say?
Yeah. And
just let us know in the comments what you guys think. Alright, whether you live in Jamaica, overseas, let us know the challenges that you guys have. You know, you can drop them in the comments, you know.
Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we drop a video.
Yeah guys,
bye.
Peace out.